My name's Robbie Madison, we're at my house and today we are testing out the Insta360 1R and how amazing these bad boys are. So today I've got my friends coming over, Tyler Berryman, Vicky Golden, Javier Villegas, three of undoubtedly the best riders in the world, and we're gonna have one hell of a time. So with the 4K module, it's perfect, like up underneath my helmet here, get the perspective of the rider. Or the 360, I mean, you can put it up on top of your head and see everything's going on in front of you, behind you. The interchangeable piece is next level. Insta360's new flow state stabilization is absolutely insane. The footage comes out like you would never believe it. On a motorcycle, vibrating, hitting jumps, you can see the camera shaking around and there's no movement at all. It's the craziest, most advanced camera I know of. So Insta360 sent us all their different accessories. So we've got handlebar mounts, we have extending arms, we have little knickknacks that we can connect it to our boots, off our chin, and they're gonna allow us to get angles that we've never been able to get before. It's gonna be badass.
Hey, I saw it by the handle and I was just like...